What else would you like
Hey,
to say, Kate?
Kate. Did you just discover the steps?
Yes, I'd like to tell everyone about it. Kate, in your own words, what do you have to say?
Really? My goodness.
I like the steps as well. Anything else you'd like to comment on, Kate? Any other noises and words you'd like to share with us today? You blowing bubbles? Kate? What else do you have to say, Kate? Just having a lazy Sunday? Yeah.
You're being funny, Kate.
Yes. You have a lot to say this afternoon. Uh-oh.
Oh, Jeff.
I'm watching her. This is the
Jeff,
first
Jeff,
time in
Jeff.
steps.
All right, we're going to say bye-bye now.
And get a gate.
Bye.
Bye.